Hey everyone, this is Justine from JustPlans and welcome back to another video. Today we are having a fun time. We're going to be doing this memory spread using only the full boxes of a kit, and as you can see I do also have some bow headers, pulled in some matching washi. But anyway, this is the April Showers kit by Harriet Wright Designs. I think this came out last year, but I don't really know if that's completely true, but I remember seeing a few of my favorite planner girls use the full version of this kit last year, and I loved it, so I had to pick it up. If you well, hold on. Let me just tell you that right now I am putting down the bottom washi, and obviously since I only had the full boxes, I had to pull in washi from my collection. I decided to rip up the washi and put it down instead of having like a clean line, and I got that inspiration from Mandy of Mandy Plans. She did a similar spread where I think she used like a mini kit also, and she like ripped up the bottom washi and she put like washi throughout her spread, and it came out looking like really scrapbooky and journally, and I really love that. I think that was perfect for Mandy's aesthetic and planning style. Really came out really super pretty. So I wanted to try to do that because just something new, and I thought it looked really nice when Mandy did it, so I wanted to try it. But okay, so I talked through the sidebar. The fancy frame box is from the Pretty Pinko, and that April script is from Lilac Luna Plans. I have codes to both of those shops. It's Justine15 to save. Then I just pulled in these lace dividers from Honey Inked. Really love those. Every time I use those, I think of Connie because I feel like Connie uses those lace dividers a lot. In her decorative memory spreads, which she hasn't posted in a while. Connie, come on, let's get on that. Then just some a habit tracker and a half box from my like leftover sticker book. But okay, yeah, really love this like kit. Again, I saw a few planner girls use the full kit last year, and I just loved how that turned out. And if you are new to my channel, I have quite a few videos where I use mini kits, and or in this case, like what I'm doing in this case, just the full boxes of a kit. And what I do is I pull in a lot of leftover stickers from my collection, functional stickers from my collection, and then I'm able to like put that all together and make a pretty spread. And I like to do that because if a shop offers the full boxes a la carte, that's typically, I don't know, like $4 or $5 for the one page. So it's really a cost-effective way of getting the aesthetic of a kit into your planner without having to pay like the price tag of, getting a full 4-page kit. So I really like that. I try to be as budget conscious as I can, but also like, balancing everything else, and enjoying the stickers and things like that. But I when I can, I try to be quite budget conscious. I have quite a few videos on this channel where I'm kind of like combining planning and my interest of personal finance. Please feel free to watch some of those videos. I think those have been like some of my favorite videos to ever plan, just because the content or the like topic that I'm talking about is so fun and interesting to me. But anyway, I understand, totally not everyone's cup of tea. But anyway, okay, sorry, I am so totally rambling. Here I'm using a Sweet Belle XOXO frame box layered with a honey inked mandala that I kind of sticker surgeried, and then that icon is actually from a freebie from Tasseled Planner, and I'm using that to mark that I picked up a like double person camping chair, so just like one of those outdoor foldable chairs from Target, and we took that chair and just put it outside in our like backyard patio, just so that like, because I had noticed that we bought a house with a backyard, but we didn't have time to enjoy the backyard at all. So I just wanted to get some type of chair And I thought it was super cute that I found like a double person chair so we can like sit next to each other and all that. But we just took that chair, sat outside, just kind of enjoyed the fresh air and just enjoyed that we have this like outdoor space that's our own that we can enjoy. I'm really super excited to be able to be out there in the summer and just have that like space to enjoy the warm weather in the summer. So anyway, so I thought that was really cute. I wanted to mark that really pretty. You might have noticed that I've pulled in a bunch of these like heart clusters from Honey Ink throughout the spread, as well as some deco from letters from Lay. I feel like because I had to pull in like I didn't have a lot of stickers that matched the full boxes, obviously. Like all the half boxes and all the layering pieces and things like that I'm pulling that from my leftovers collection. So I just wanted to like put a whole bunch of floral deco throughout the spread. So I don't know. I just thought like it looked nice. Anyway, for work every day, I did layer like 2 Panda Bird Designs scallop half circles on top of each other to mark how many meetings I had every day. What I like to do for work, for marking work, is I try to do that the same way every single day just so it's a bit more like cohesive, I guess. I don't know. But I like how that turned out. And let's see. Oh, here I'm using a frame box from Megby Makes on top of a honey inked mandala. Again, I had to do some sticker surgery so that it kind of looks like it's like framing that frame box. But I use that to mark that we found, like, after we went on a walk, we found a tick on Archie, and it wasn't like attached to him or anything. It was just kind of like sitting in his fur. But I was so upset as a fur baby mama. That was like his first tick ever. And so, but he's okay. Again, it wasn't like it didn't bite him or anything. And obviously, he does have like flea and tick preventative stuff. So he's fine. But, you know, it was just like, I don't know, not something I wanted to see on my baby. Okay. Here I am using some washi as just layering pieces. On top of that, I'm going to use another Sweet Bella XOXO frame box and a credit card icon from White Deer Stationery, and I'm using that to mark that we got a joint credit card. It came in the mail this day. My boyfriend and I got a joint credit card so we can put all our like joint household expenses on there. So thought that was really exciting, you know, like a I don't know, it just felt really exciting, so I wanted to mark that really pretty. Then at the end of the night, we got some Indian food, so I marked that with utensils from Planning Like a Pro, and then yeah, that was really yummy. I'm so glad that we have good Indian food as an option because we both love Indian food. And yeah. Okay, on Saturday I had a pretty chill day, it looks like. So I filmed a Plan With Me in the morning. That icon is from the Pretty Pink Co, I think. That was on a freebie. Then my boyfriend went to get his first COVID vaccine dose, so just pulled another frame box from Megby Makes. That swooshy is from Lilac Luna Plants, and I just love how like simple and pretty that swoosh is. My boyfriend came home after his vaccine. He came home with some cheesesteaks and fries, so that was really, really yummy. So super unhealthy, but really good. And then at the end of the night, I just did some vacuuming and laundry, you know, just some boring stuff. On Sunday, I have no idea what I did this day. Like, the only thing I marked in my planner was going to Home Depot, and obviously there's no way that that's the only thing that I did that day. So I had nothing to mark. I, like, tried to go through my text messages and see if, like, I could figure out what I did that day, but I had no idea. So if you saw on the first part of the column, I just pulled in, like, 2 honey inked mandalas and I put them together to make like a full circle mandala, and I think I've seen a few people do that, but I think the first person I saw do that was Connie of Cocoa Plans. Love her. And I just put some like foil deco around that because honestly, like I just needed something to take up the space. And then here I'm just layering some washi with another frame box, and then that credit card icon is from paper blush bar to mark that we went to Home Depot because I honestly have no idea what else we did that day. But anyway, I really love how this spread came together. I'm so glad that I ended up having quite a few functional stickers that had similar colors to the full boxes of the kit. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!